Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Photos app and moving to Library or the specific album you'll change. Tap Select and pick the photos or the album you want to view differently. This initiates the only supported workflow. Once done, note that iOS 18 centralizes layout controls inside the collection and view menus, so make sure your device is updated. You're beginning the process. The next steps switch layout modes and save that preference for this library view. You now tap the ellipsis or the View menu in the top right corner to expose layout choices. Select Collection and then pick Gallery View. This toggles a single-stream, swipe-friendly interface optimized for visual browsing. Once selected, adjust thumbnail size or spacing using the on-screen slider if iOS 18 shows those controls. That changes density without altering resolution. Make sure to wait a beat for photos to re-render. Larger libraries may take a few seconds to apply the gallery layout. You finish by tapping Done or simply closing the menu so Photos persists the gallery layout for your current library context. If the layout reverts, force quit the Photos app and reopen it. Temporary caching often causes resets. If problems persist, go to Settings, right arrow Photos, and reset View settings or toggle iCloud Photos off and on after a backup to force resynchronization. If you see unexpected behavior, reboot the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.